Hi everyone, welcome back to Math with Amala. This is part number 2 of grade 6 chapter number 6 integers. Here we deals with the addition of integers and we completes the half portion of the whole content. Addition of integers says about addition of integers like negative negative, positive negative, negative positive and positive positive. So here we take a negative 5 plus positive 12. Here you can take 12 minus 5 because just rearrange it because it's commutative, and you can say it like 7. Okay, so let us represent this in the number line. You can see that 0 is the middle of the number line, and you have positives towards the right and negatives towards the left. Here we have to take the positive 12. Before that, let's take minus 5. Minus 5 and add 12 units with it, you will reach at 7. So minus 5 plus 12 is equal to positive 7. Here we are dealing actually with the addition of integers, which are actually the jumping from one number towards the next with that much of units, and you will have some right and left movements. Now positive plus positive is positive. So these are the rules which are having for the addition of integers. You can take two positive numbers and after adding you will get a positive itself. Then after adding two negatives you will get a negative, and the inside number will be the addition of these two numbers without considering the sign. Like minus 2 plus minus 5 is equal to minus of 2 plus 5, which is equal to minus 7. Likewise, positive can be written like 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. It's very simple. The normal one. Now, minus 2 plus 5, that is one negative and one positive. When they are added together, you will get 5 minus 2, that is 3. And you have some rules in order to do this also. We will go through this one. That is, if we have same signs, then you have to do the addition, then put the same sign. That is 2 plus 3, both are positive, add them and give the same sign, that is positive. Likewise, minus 2 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 5, add them and give the same sign. Then for the different signs, take the difference and put larger number sign. Okay, let us take minus 2 plus 3. So we have negative and positive added. Then you have to write the difference without considering the sign. Difference between 2 and 3 is 1, and give the larger number sign. The larger number is 3, so positive 1. Likewise, minus 5 plus 7, different sign, difference larger number sign, you will get 2. Minus 10 plus 3 is equal to minus 7. Next, addition of integers on number line. Here we uses the jumping method. We will jump from one point or the one number towards the next through the left or right movements. Let us consider a number line which is having some values like 0 towards infinity and positive negative infinity. Add 3 and 5 on number line. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. is given, and 3 is located over here, and you have to jump 5. You have to add 5 with 3, means you have to jump towards the right of 3 5 units. Add means towards right 5 units. So what will be subtract? Of course it is towards left. Next one, positive 5 plus negative 3. Positive 5 is on the right side, and you have to take minus 3. That means it is having a negative sign. You have to move towards left. Okay, so depending upon the sign of the next or the second number, you have to move right or left. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Next, minus 3 plus 3. Start from minus 3 and you have to move towards 3 units towards right, that is 0. Minus a plus a is equal to 0 in general. Minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. 5 plus minus 5 equal to 0. Here 0 is called the additive identity. Also, a is additive inverse of minus a. At the same time, minus a is the additive inverse of a. Okay, so these are the two cases when we have the additive identity. Likewise, we have for multiplicative identity. We have for multiplication also. Let us consider example number 3. 4 more than minus 1 is to be represented on the number line. 4 more than minus 1. So you have to start from minus 1 and just move 4 steps towards right. You will get 4 plus minus 1, that is 3. Now 5 less than 3. Take 3 and you have to move 5 steps towards the left of 3. 5 minus 3. Then you will reach at 3 minus 5. You will reach at minus 2. Done. That means you are taking the negative sign because you are having minus 5 as the larger number. So difference and difference, larger number sign. Find sum of minus 9 plus 4 plus minus 6 plus 3. Minus sign, so you can put the minus signs together. Minus 9 minus 6 plus 4 plus 3. Minus 9 minus 6 equal to minus 15. Then 4 plus 3, 7. Answer, difference and difference, larger number sign. And difference is 8 and larger number is 15. So its sign is minus 8. Next, 30 minus 20 minus 63 plus 55. That's equal to 30 plus 55 plus minus 23 minus 63. 85 minus 86 equal to minus 1. Minus 10 plus 92 plus 84 plus minus 15. Minus 10 minus 15 plus 92 plus 84 minus 25 plus 176, and your answer is 151. The next is subtraction of integers using number line. NL means it's a short form for number line. Let us have 6 plus 2. This is the addition of integers. You can simply write it like 8, and 6 plus minus 2. One of the two integers is negative. So you can write it like 6 plus minus 2, which is actually 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. Now again, if we have 6 minus of minus 2, then we can write it like 4. And we have some rules like minus into minus equal to plus, minus into plus equal to minus, plus into minus equal to minus, also plus into plus equal to plus. Okay. So let us represent this 6 minus minus 2 on the number line. Let us take 6 and you have to move back. 6 minus means it is actually subtraction. But moving back towards in a 2 units in the negative direction. That means it is actually coming like moving towards the front. Okay. So you have to move like 6 minus minus 2 will become 8. Okay. So 6 plus 2 will become 8. That is, you have to move 2 units towards the right. That means you have to jump 2 units towards right. You can have one more examples with the negatives and also with the positive negatives subtraction. Okay, let us take the numbers minus 5 minus 4. Here we have two negative numbers, minus 5 and minus 4, and the subtraction will be giving like you can do the addition rule or apply the addition rule first, then we can move to the number line. Minus 5 plus 4 is equal to minus 1. Okay, that means 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. So you have to move towards minus 1. That means towards the right of minus 5 and jumping 4 units, only 4 units towards right of minus 1. So it is very easy to make it or transform it to the nearest positive addition from rather than from the subtraction of negatives. Example number 7, minus 8 minus minus 10. Here you can just multiply minus into minus, you will get plus. Then minus 8 plus 10 is equal to 10 minus 8, that is 2. You can reach here like this. That means 10 units towards the right of minus 8. So we can say that to subtract an integer from another integer, it is enough to add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted. Okay, actually we are adding the additive inverse of the integer that is being added to the other integer. Example number 8, minus 10 minus minus 4, which is equal to minus 10 plus 4. Its additive inverse is 4. Additive inverse of minus 4 is 4. So you can just add it with the minus 10. You will get minus 6. That means difference sign, difference larger number sign. Difference is 6 and the larger number is 10. Its sign is negative. So the answer is negative 6. Next example, plus minus 3, which is equal to minus 3 plus additive inverse of 3. Okay, that is minus 3 minus 3, that is minus 6. Thank you all for watching the video. Please be stay tuned for the next part, which contains exercise portions of this chapter.